Brefo. I mean, Bonami do. Nana, Matisse so car no, a old car. I can give you a new car. I can help you get a better car that you can use to do Uber. A year Uber Eats there it isn't much. You know, you're not going to get anything. And to be very honest with you, Sibia wankasa wetumi etu nwesi waka no kore ansa na yebechew no. Also car no kore say 2015 said na say a dangerous cry. Na say o car no manu sisum na so epema nipa wonko na obewu. Eduane na be say, and I don't want anything like that to happen to you because enya road worthy for people are sure to sit inside. Dangerous, and I want you alive. I really love you, no homo. Oyobamu, but no homo.
I was here for some radio. I dare say you need to Kevin tell Nana Yaa Brefo the in fact woman is she I can say Chrome was a pempi no was a Kevin Taylor Nana Yaa Brefo not to say or Nana Yaa Brefo to be a meet as Jane was na Kevin did Nana Yaa Brefo I am and the car in the music come in am the same party Nana Yaa Brefo ja okasama NDC also Kevin Taylor kasama NDC na dia nko Nana Yaa Brefo aye Kevin Taylor and Kevin Taylor so Nana Yaa Brefo mo wotimi huru no kromo enyina yenim wotimi huru no out to the stand say kata Nana Yaa Brefo ye bema a chese nya asem keto a yenyina ye wo media ne so Nana Yaa Brefo ono akase na num tom wa ba bia no akase say no oye Uber driver e wa America na wo chire mu so to say no na juma wo ye nie wa me yenyina nim say Nana Yaa Brefo wo ye nsem training papa ene de owo onua TV ene onua FM a obo adwuma e wo ho no ya dance su da anwe no ho say Nana Yaa Brefo e be jane media work no de ato ho na wa kwakotwi Uber e wo America na ene ode betu gya no wonim say Ghana de krom ha e ya de say obi agidi wa ha say na ye so akopie mu wa abrochire anamo na ne na say wo ye adwuma bi wo twitwi nkukuo mu ye say wo pepa toilet so ye say wo no anua na ye so ye Uber driver na che say akoye ade bi a Ghana yenti bi da na akoye asresem ye de sire wo mo but meanwhile no ye adwuma na nipa no wo ye pesika e de agu ni botom na ya Brefo de betu gya na wo kire mo say na adwuma wo ye nie etu wo mo bi a visa obetimi aboa no ne ade chechire mu America ho no mo no Uber no se bi o mo system no so run fa Ghana ha say no Uber no se bi a Ghana so system no si run fa o chechire mu kama educate ye kama ne na sorry a Kevin Taylor na che say wo so obeboa Nana Yaa Brefo na ne car na wo chi no in fact car no old version like car no old dada it obeboa no wa pe car mo no ibidi ama no say le be ya wo de kopim ho no ma enkofa atorichem bi amfa mba Nana Yaa Brefo emetona na mo wonse edo na Kevin Taylor ase oboa no ase wo huru no to be a Kevin Taylor osich ase be ka kotie nsema Kevin Taylor ka ye fa Nana Yaa Brefo no yenti nsemo no bia Nana Yaa Brefo no akasa wo be kan ye e fa ni Uber ochi e wa America no emra
hi it's almost like 5 or thereabouts here in the States. I'm sure it's about 9 or so in Ghana. And a quick one. I know I've never told her and told you that I'm in the States and then at the moment me Uber. And I've received a lot of comments to be applauded. One message was like, "Wa by na ba na we jane na wa betna brocha ba papa ba na we jane." And I think I explained myself that there's a need for me to do something here. That is why I'm here. And somebody was also asking, "Oh, how are you using a visa, tourist visa to do Uber because or Canada won't mean yes." I didn't state how, and I didn't tell you some the tourist visa Uber. You can't just even do it because they need to do your background check. So you have to put in your social security, you put in your details, and they will do a background check on you before they will allow you to even start the work or approve for you to start. And that's what it is. Now, I'll take you on a journey. Obi Bisa, somebody was saying, how is it like there? Because we are about Ghana and the Ghana did see Ghana how to sing. Right. So my name said before I even started this work, me fa Uber, me call UK and other places and me fa Uber. And when I use Uber, you cannot own food to me if I Uber now see our way. They take the money there and then. Baby, I will call because when you register, you have to put in your debit or credit card inside. Say beya unya order pay. The better ones I can't na baby do. And it's a bit different. Ghana will me in cash. And in Ghana, I don't even know if you can even pay upfront. I think you can, but maybe no Ghana no. It didn't give me that option. Here, it doesn't give you the option to even do cash. It's always credit card or debit card. I don't know if there's anything like that, but what I know and what I did, and when I was registering is what I'm telling you. Many other thing that you can state it. And it's not like wako found and wako discount when you because Ghana you negotiate. We are who could do now with Yaka. And say wako in Ghana no, the order no yet. It's not always food. You don't get too much of food order. Most of the time, food order they are riders nedeba. Because some of the companies or restaurants near there, they have riders. But they also have riders who do Uber, DoorDash, and pick up stuff. But what they do is that they give you the order with the amount of money and the distance you're going. Opa no afa. Distance you okay mawa no afa, and you okay mawa, then you do something about it. That's what I know. That's what I'm doing with DoorDash and Uber. Then try a Lyft. And Uber no cry me fenipa because my car na me yes car to me toy. Misika so 2015, 2013. I bought something lower. You see Kia Sportage, which is 2012. So I can only pick food. You know what I say? My coffee will be a diane. And I'm there for man. And to me do her. I'll just put it there, take a picture. Will be also a pin code now or the amount. And I say, Obiwa, you just shower or jia, no, I complete your order. That's it. So one day I'll take you on a journey with me the whole day for you to know what I do. So that's what I do. I'm not shy, I'm very, because Charlie, man must work at all costs. And sign your domain until you must work. And I'm not the type that depend on men. What am I magic? But I don't sit. I didn't have the opportunity to marry a scaffold. Because so 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and yes, no cry. Ya mean to me, po. Me cram one place I yet, and it probably will be difficult for me. So that's what I can do for now. I'm trying to see if I could do other things. But for now, I can't just sit. I have to do some things. And the other and ferry ushiamia you let me a picture video or company be person me promo ma ha let me I am or maybe two or restaurants now person me a promo ma I can do it for you, no big deal. And our business be you think you can do it with me, I'm available.
Madam Miri ya de akosi aboajo wa don kwa ya de pa TV uba so no ahya ma afanya bi ahwe afei yenti ensem hodo a Kevin Taylor also e de abetu jafa Nana Yaa Brefo ho emra
Abrefo bona me do Nana matese so car no a old car. I can give you a new car. I can help you get a better car that you can use to do Uber. Uber Eats there it isn't much, you're not going to get anything. To be very honest with you, Sibia wankasa wetumi etu nwesi wa kan okore ansa na yebechew no. Me onse me pewasem long time. Nkwasi ade kakra bi na wo ye ya e ma me no benya problem. And me I'm a very nice person oh. Nana Yaa Brefo, Madam Nana Yaa Brefo. Me a very nice guy. Say what ben me pen a. Would be a very wonderful guy, very good guy. And me donipa. And my TV video be a cocoa around that. Also kind of question 2015 said and I say a dangerous crowd. Next okano manusi sumna a pema nipa wunkwana obewu. Eduane never say, and I don't want anything like that to happen to you because and you're roadworthy for people I ain't sure to sit inside. Dangerous, and I want you alive. I really love you, no homo. Obama, but no homo. And I really want to see you succeed in America. And what I can do to help you is that if you are going to open up to me, I can help you get a new car. I can help you get maybe a 2022 Camry or something, 2023, something very decent, fatal. If you want something even different than that, you can let me know. And I want to help you. I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. And sometimes people don't understand me sometimes. I'm a very nice person. Monica. Very nice person. Kasa na mekasa. Between kasa, I'll say, yeah. But apart from that, I'm a very wonderful guy. And story now, yeah, I really appreciate you stepping out to let people know what you are going through before they get to know. A woman said you were trying to downplay the whole matter, but a serious matter. One of the best journalists in Ghana to come and drive Okada in America is dangerous. It's demeaning to women of Ghana, and it's demeaning to a journalist in Ghana. Into Nana Yaa Brefo. A woman said, "Okay, can't send me cheme. I'm a Mr. K. By a matured. We are not kids anymore." DH money to me campaign Kennedy. Then obi mpo who is American campaign Kennedy. Sani we are sitting. So find a way. I don't know how you're going to get in touch with me. But find a way and get in touch. I want to help you get a better car. I want to do that. And this is not something I may yet to please anybody. I'm doing this because genuinely I like you as a person and I really want to help. If there's anybody around who knows Nana Yaa Brefo, Nana, let's put our pride aside. Let's not do that. Let's put our pride aside. Let's help each other. We are Ghanaians. I love you. You love me. No homo. Nana, anyway, anyhow, you can find means to reach out to me. I can't put my number out here, but I know you know people who know me. Just give them a call and tell them, I want to talk to Kevin. I'll find a way to get you a better car. And with all due respect, when you get the car, don't tell anybody. Don't let anybody know. Say this car, Kevin, no, I don't want you to tell anyone, say, I've helped you do anything. No, I just want to do that. I want to prove a point to Nipebia. Omojin say, you coming out and honestly telling what you're going through in America. And I say, Abruchino, they think it's a joke. It's not. Inti, Nana, find every me. Uncle Foya, Nana, almost so, Ewo Ghana. Ebi mutiti kuruma ha na omokaka sem kirewa ema wo kan sem bia o ye mistake no on se obeto omo hu abrabo. They are poor people. They are poor people. Sa girl who fin oti Maryland ya o share do betina TV so ye ene kasetwi Kevin didi Kevin atem no ye no o diplomatic jantre ni ye de na beti dem ni edi no onye djuma o sori na wetwi makeup no betina TikTok the djuma oni eni bema no ene me say na se ye Nana, me do my studio. Me 2 studios so this wo sha. Me serve about it me running the whole TV3. I'm telling you, it's over $60,000. It's Nana, I understand. It's not easy. It's a difficult one. But I say utieti enkophobia no. Emma keke kan sembi. But you see with me, Sebio me hu se me nipa chen. But nipa nwane nipa, and nipa na do nipa. And I really want to do this not because I want to do this to prove a point in Kofwa. No between so betuma say me no wuntem nkofo between so betuma mo enemy enya problem a obeka say tia na makase tia na aye nipa bi de. But I want those people, I want to put them to shame. I want to help you, my sister. I want to take you out of where you are and prove to Ghana for say I'm a good guy.
Madam Sam Radio Kevin Taylor so wo huru na ya brofo so wo beboa no so wo ye ne de yo yanka se yentimi hu Kevin Taylor o boa nipa na no an se meboa na that's wo huru ne ade de ano eye de ye ankasa o so woni se betima ja comment section on me share ma fo nya be share like na ja comment e comment se me di kaka e me di e de akosi abo ajewa don komeda wase bebre se wo share makram
abusafa amaka ba GK Travel Hotel Sabuki Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they are for plane. You go to international airport. You go to Apeko airport to your destination. And one person go holidays. So if you are going to project to me, maybe I'm meeting some project to you. So you go to my Divine Space. You go to my GQ Luxury Hills Hotel. I will equip. Maha will make travel also stress free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.